Hello. Today we're going to be doing a green look with this palette right here, the 35A Up Till Dawn artistry palette. Couldn't read it in backwards. So I got this mainly because of these gorgeous greens. They are beautiful. We're going to start out with the title Rave, and I'm just going to put it on with my finger. So I'm just going to pull my hair out of the way, and I like to pull my eye crossed just because I like to make sure that I get it like everywhere. Now this one I find I have to put on a few times because it's so light. But that's okay because I really like this for the base. And I'll probably go on a third time. Definitely. So there we go. Wipe that off my finger. And then I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to use the under my palm, this one right here. I'm going to go on the inside of my eye, right there, and just kind of bring it up. Other side, just kind of bring it up, a little bit under, just a little. Lovely. Perfect. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger, dip it in the Island Lover, and just right here. Right there. And I really like to pull, that way I'm really direct on exactly where I want to be. And just bring it over just a little bit more, but not all the way. Perfection. Wipe it off again. And then what we are going to do is I'm going to take this little brush here with the angle, and I am going to start layering the darker. It is Cabana Turst. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but this beautiful green right here, we are going to start building up with that. Love the name, but hard to pronounce. So I'm just going to follow along with my eye here, and then bring it over. Lovely. Let's get the other side. Oh, the doves are visiting at the window again. They like to come a lot. We have a family of 3 that visit. Awesome. So I gotta bring this side up higher to match that side. Just a little bit. It's always the hardest part, is getting it to match. Lovely. Let me fill this in a bit. Now I'm going to take some of the Nocturnal here, and I'm going to go and just darken up the edges a little bit. Lovely. Awesome. I'll put a little bit under here. Awesome. Lovely. And now I'm going to take a little bit of In Deep, and I'm just going to darken the edges one last time to make more of a gradient. Lovely. And the other side. Awesome. That is lovely. Just wipe off the fallout there. And I'm going to just take my finger and add a little bit more Island Lover to the top. That one right here. All right. Lovely. Lovely. Now I'm going to put on my mascara. I've been just loving the One Size Fantasize, so I'm going to pause and put that on really quick. All right, so there they are, eyelashes with the One Size Fantasize. I love it so much. I used my points on it, and I literally got 3 of them because I like them so much. So yeah, that is the green gradient look. I really like it. It really works well for my eyes, especially because they're hazel. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you like it.